In pursuit of making personal transportations more eco-friendly and reducing fuel consumption and emissions, start-stop systems are getting increasingly more common. This creates new challenges for car batteries as they undergo many more engine start-stop cycles during their lifetime and spend more time powering the car systems without batteries being actively charged. In order to cope with these demands, we have created the EFB2 series of car batteries, dedicated to handle urban-intensive use. Thanks to addition of our new nano-carbon power supplement, DCA of EFB2 series of batteries is over 3 times higher than required by the European regulations, and microcycle endurance even 4 times higher than of standard batteries. On top of that, the EFB2 series of batteries with our solutions are perfectly safe and easy to maintain. Install the EFB in your family car or a taxi fleet. It will never fail you.